Hey, if you want to make $10,000, $20,000, or even $50,000 or $1,000 to $5,000 per month cash flow from multifamily investment real estate, you better listen to the next 3 minutes video clip. It doesn't matter even if you are totally new to multifamily or even totally new to real estate investment. It doesn't matter. Especially housewives, retirees, and unemployed people can easily learn this secret since you have enough time to learn and practice this. Last year, I bought about $9.7 million worth of multifamily real estate in Canada and made over about $3.2 million profit using this secret. And that is on average about $266,000 per month. Remember, it is per month, not per year. I did it by ignoring almost 95% of the traditional real estate gurus' bullshit advice. If I've ever listened to those advice, of course, I would not have been able to come to this success level. My name is Leo Ganesh. I'm the founder of Canada Investors Club. I'm a real estate investor and mortgage broker for many years, and I invest in multifamily real estate properties nowadays for the last 3 years. But in 2009, I lost my job and I lost my business as the consequence. And after that, I really lost my first investment property in Canada because of non-payment of rent and lack of knowledge from my side. Then, of course, I learned everything in real estate and I was able to buy many single detached properties in Canada in the last many years. But last few years, I started investing in multifamily and commercial properties because of the huge benefit that multifamily properties are having compared to single family detached houses. Not only I'm proud that the fact that I was able to make about $3.2 million profit from multifamily investment. More than that, of course, I am proud that I have enough students and clients from many parts of the country that you can even imagine. Last month, I helped a Canadian client who bought a property in London, England. And of course, I understand that you may think that we need good down payment, good income, and good credit in order to get a real estate investment. Even then, you may think in this crazy real estate market nowadays, even if you have down payment, credit, and income, you may think it is not possible. Of course, the traditional way of real estate, it is really difficult. But at the same time, I cracked the code and I was able to buy 10 multifamily properties in one single year worth of $9.7 million, and I was able to make $3.2 million profit. Means, of course, it's totally different strategy. Definitely you can do it if I teach. In the hottest Canadian market, without any down payment, I was able to buy that. So by that about 39 properties. I call that as a no money down real estate. Trust me, I have been doing this for the last many years, and as a mortgage broker and an accountant from 15 plus years, and I was able to creatively use this strategy with my experience very well. Especially I used these no money down strategies in multifamily acquisitions in the last few years. Now I am teaching the same exact strategy that I used to scale my real estate business to many of my students to make $10,000, $20,000, or even $50,000 per month. The way they did it, again, had nothing to do with any of the bullshit real estate gurus' advice. Those who don't buy any properties and they simply teach. What my students and clients have learned allowed them to scale their real estate business to a level that they've never imagined. And of course, I urge you to click on this link below to listen to my shortest multifamily investment training ever. And not only that, you're going to get this free training where I am going to break down this exact step-by-step method that I used, but also you're going to get the free gift that is worth about $1,000 at least. That is my checklist and personal templates, because those are the templates I used to use in my successful real estate investment, and I was able to save time and money. Right after I learned one of those techniques, I was able to grab a property and was able to make about $140,000 profit using that technique many years back. My personal checklist to qualify good property will save you hundreds of $1,000s by avoiding the wrong properties. I lost my first investment property by violating one rule. Still, I regret about that one. Many people simply trust their real estate agents and buy whatever properties they show. If you have this checklist, you will be able to work with your realtor in the right direction, and you will be able to command him and demand him to show the right properties, and you will be able to avoid the wrong properties. I have nothing wrong with any realtors, because I have many of my friend realtors are giving great properties. They are bringing great deals to me, and I bought many properties through my realtors. So I don't have anything wrong with them, but you have to use your sense with this checklist. And you can take this knowledge and apply into your real estate business right away Again, I recommend you to click on this link below. I'm not sure how long more I'm going to be teaching this stuff for free. So click the link below right now if you want to start or scale your multifamily real estate investment as a part-time or full-time business, or even to get my free checklist and templates. As I told, this is the best time for real estate investment, especially in multifamily in your lifetime, I'm telling you, because the prices are low, unusually low, and at the same time, market is really a little bit here and there. But at the same time, if you learn the right strategies with me or anybody, definitely you will be able to make a lot of opportunities right now, because we can buy at a lower price and we can buy without even down payment, and I'll be teaching you many other stuff. So you'll be able to start your real estate business right now, and you'll be able to sell it in a very controlled manner. Don't ever buy your next multifamily or investment property without listening to my next training. My method of real estate investment is a recession proof evergreen method which will always work in any market for anybody. And at the same time, the following training you will understand why I moved from single family to multifamily, and of course you will be able to understand what are the benefits in multifamily investments.